Effortless Business. There is an incident of an old man. A person used to abuse him often. Every time the old man gave a cheek, he would send some money to his house. One day the man thought that he was doing me a favor so he should not be abused. Thinking this, he stopped cursing. From that day Bujurg also stopped sending him money. When the man asked the reason for this, the old man said, "Brother, this is the rule of business. There is give and take. You gave me goods one day, I gave you money in return. Now you have stopped giving, so I have stopped giving too." The man said, "Why, I would never have given you anything." The old man said, "As long as you abused me, I would have received the reward of your worship. I would have accumulated many rewards without any effort. Now that you have stopped cursing, I no longer benefit from it, so I also stopped doing you favors." Education. No one benefits anyone without any interest.